Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is going to be your special reading for the next 24 hours. And Scorpios, I was inspired to do this reading. This reading came to me. So there might be some important messages or guidance just for you, my lovely Scorpios. So, Scorpios, I request you all to watch this reading till the end for better clarity. And before we start, we are going to meditate for a few seconds. So join me, guys. So, Scorpios, we are picking cards from both these decks together, and for each question, we are going to pick cards from the respective decks. So, we are going to shuffle these cards and place it. So, we have the first card for you, for your situation, what you need to maybe understand, or the clarifier for your situation. So, what are the challenges or obstacles you'll be facing, and what is the clarifier for that? And what you need to embrace, what you need to release, and to clarify things, to clarify this. This is the card. So, what unexpected surprises are coming for you, Scorpios? And to clarify that energy. And finally, for your final outcome, we are going to place this card here, guys. So, this is for the outcome today, Scorpios. For your situation, you have key and you have strength. So, in your situation, there is something crucial, a very important choice, or a path, or a revelation, maybe the things that you thought has been missing, or you wanted clarity. You're going to get that clarity, and this is not a random sign. This is divinely timed. So you're standing at a threshold, and the next gateway is opening for you. The next 24 hours, something is changing, and you are going to find the key to that change, to that beginning. And strength is telling you that this might be a situation testing your inner power, your strength, your resilience, emotional control, and radical grace. Sorry, guys. And you are asked to tame that wilderness within, maybe the fight between your ego and your heart. So, this external key is going to unlock something deeply internal, and you may feel calm on the surface, but deep down, there are some huge changes, volcanic changes happening. You need to ask yourself, are you gripping something too tightly because you want it to go your way? So you need to ask yourself, are you doing it? So, what are the challenges or opportunities? You have stock, and Six of Cups. So, change is coming. Stock is a sign of a very good news, a progress, a transformation, and whether you like it or not, or whether you're ready or not, some changes are here. For some of you, an old friendship or um, a past person, they might contact you, they they might try and reach you out, and you have Six of Cups. So you need to see past, see through your situation, see, is it giving you comfort or is it chaining you? So this is an opportunity to heal yourself, or this may even be an opportunity to let something go. Maybe it is not something that will work for you. So that deep healing, but you should walk forward, not backward towards something. So honor that memory. Maybe you remember something of your past. You can honor that memory, but step towards your future, not backward towards your past. What might really uh, make you more emotional or pull you down? So, what is that you need to embrace? You have heart, and for let go, man, what you need to release, and you have Chariot. So it simply means that you need to let love in your life, let your heart decide what you need to do right now. So for clarity, you have Chariot and you have man. So you need to release that attachment you had to someone. It can be an actual person or it can be an energy pattern within yourself. So release this attachment, something or a dynamic that is tied down to control or protection or dependency. So you need to release that attachment, break free from that attachment, time to let it go, and you have to embrace your heart, something that feels soulful, a choice or path that feels soulful, and let love flow, and do not let control take over things. And this is about the direction you need to take based on what you feel is driving you. So, a soulful path and a soulful direction in your situation is here. So, you're going to find a way, a path to do something. And this may be the time that you have to do something yourself independently, not depend on someone else. So you cannot depend on anyone to help you or anyone to save you from a situation. But the power lies within you. So you must be prepared to make that move or make that change today. So what's the surprise? What you do not see yet, lady? And You have Queen of Wands. So both. So maybe some of you are dealing with a divine feminine energy. So you're going to enter your life or your situation with power, with confidence, clarity, and fire. So it's challenging you to bring out the best. So stop shrinking yourself today, Scorpios. So try to give your best. It's time to be seen, time to shine your light, to be seen. And there is power in softness, there is magnetism in your stillness, and there is fire in the way you handle things authentically in your situation. So, for some of you, someone, a woman who is really important or crucial for your next step, your future, is stepping in, and you are being watched. Scorpios, you are being watched, and someone is here, someone is coming with a message, or this might even shock you, this person's arrival. So, what is the final message or outcome? Four of Swords. So, time for you to reflect, time for you to heal. So, this healing or this balance will come about from silence, from taking time, taking a pause, reflecting within yourself, recharging yourself. So, surrender yourself to that inner higher power. Let the storm pass. Whatever challenges or struggles you're seeing, hurdles you're seeing, your next move will come very soon, and you need to be prepared for that. So, a storm is coming, Scorpios, but you're going to find a way through that, or you're going to overcome that in a beautiful way. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Scorpios, thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Thank you all for your love and support. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.